Step number 1, download the app that will page to upload photos. Step number 2, to upload any photo you want from your photo. And step number 3, watch the money hit your bank account. Hey, welcome to this channel. I am a business boy. Now before I show you exactly how to earn by uploading your photos, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below this video and make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell so I can alert you to the latest way of making money online. Results are not typical. You can earn more than this, the same or a little bit less, but I could guarantee you one thing: you don't follow the exact step throughout this video, the result will definitely not be possible for true. So don't skip these steps. And now the entire 3 steps of earning money by daily basis for uploading photos are: step number 1, I am gonna revealing the number 1 website that is paying people to upload their photos. Step number 2, I am going to show you how to earn the maximum amount from your photos. And then the step number 3, I will be showing you how to upload other photos for profit and their particular site. So let's go ahead and look over here. I want to show you how much people are actually earning on this particular site. Okay, say this is a big 1 billion in contribution earning. Okay, so people have earned this site. Now as you see, every year they are just growing and growing. They are paying out their contributors more and more and more. Just in the past 10 years, they went from 23 million all the way to $1 billion. Okay, so that's pretty crazy. But to 1 billion people are earning a lot of money on this particular site, and I want you to cash on this. Now, why are people earning for uploading their photos on the site now? If you go over here to Google and search your photographer price, as you see, the average cost to hire a photographer is about $100 to upward $500 per hour. Okay, so I want you to think about that. A wedding is like now could be 4 to 7 hours long, and a family get together could be a few hours long. Like 500 per hour is a lot of money for you to make 50 photos to be taken. Okay, so people can actually come to this particular site to get professional photos. Okay, whether it be a business getting together or for the product of their magazines or for their they just need some of the maybe holiday photo, or they're gonna come to the site because a lot of cheaper and more efficient than and the other thing, a photographer and a person, especially nowadays, it's just a pain. So I want just exactly how people are earning on this site particular and site. In this it is charging to $50 a month for about 7 to 50 images. So a business can come here and get all the images they need to whatever they went to $50 a month. They will cost less than 1 hour paying for a photographer. Okay, so this is exactly why this is a market here for professional photos or any type of photos on the site. Okay, so let's go ahead and go over to the site actually going to sell your photos. Now shutterstock.com has a contributor program, so you type on shutterstock.contributor on the Google and click the first link. It is going to take you here where it says you work and start earning. You can create and produce high quality images, and I am gonna show you how to actually get the image. And you don't even have to produce yourself. Submit them and then get paid. Make money every time your content is downloaded by one of our website customer, and you can ever refer people to the site and earn referral commission as well. Now I am going to show you how people actually coming to a particular site right now. We are going to log in similar web, and just last month alone 67 million people come to the site to download photos 67 million. So there is a good chance for you to photos download, and you will start earning money for every photo you upload on Shutterstock contributor. Okay, so more than a million paid out, global community, easy to use tools, right? And then the best part about it is that even has a app. It has application. Get started and you gonna see this app they have on the Apple, and the application is available on the Apple Play Store and the Google Play Store, so you can do it from all around the world anytime you want, and you could track your earning, performance and insight. Okay, view daily and monthly sales, upload on the go when you choose, and submit from your photos, so you can literally upload as many photos as you want. And if you run out of photos, okay, whatever, whether it is be holiday photos or you, now actually I'm going to show you the best photos that are working right now. Okay, especially holiday season coming up, and but you can upload other people's photos, and I am going to show you actually where to get these photos. And sign up now, download the app and then submit your images. I'm going to show you where to get the best photos for free, and the actually trend are doing as well. Okay, and you are going to do is come over here, pixels.com. Pixels.com is a place where you can get free stock photos, okay, shared by other creators. Okay, now these are all photos free and could download and then upload to Shutterstock. Right now there is a copyright free, they are free to use. They are basically the creators say you can whatever you want with them. Okay, so you just type in and I will type in for the trending photos that are coming up in the Christmas. Okay, Christmas photos, maybe Thanksgiving and photos, but we are going to type in Christmas and see what comes up. Holidays photos and are popular and are used for Christmas card, right? Business need them for their own Christmas themes and backgrounds, even magazine. So as well as you can have tons of professional Christmas photos. We didn't have to take any of them. We didn't have to set any up. They are already taken for us. We just have to download, okay, and upload them to the Shutterstock contributor. So as you can see, this is a great way to start uploading photos, okay, that are absolutely free on autopilot. And every single day, the more you upload the photos, the more you earn. And okay, now if you want to have $1,000 per day in a passive income without having to upload photo or to do anything, I am going to link the more videos right here that are going to show you additional ways of making money online. So go ahead and check these videos, and I will see you in the next one video.